morning. Yeah, I'm Paul Gallivan. I'm the district manager for Lennox for Western Canada. So very proud to be a part of the Lennox team and here for the Feel the Love program. So Feel the Love started in 2009. It's a North American-wide program for Lennox residential. So we partner with our great dealers like Arpi's across North America to support the local community and provide assistance to local parts of the community and with the people that might need a new furnace, and we're very proud of the partnership with Arpi's and the fact we get to do this.
Hi, my name is Rob. I've worked at Arpi's for 9 years now. I'm a residential service technician. I've been doing Feel the Love now every October for 4 years. I love it. I look forward to getting that email in the early fall, and everybody comes together. We have meetings about it. It's great to get in with the community. Volunteer, it feels good. It's always a good time. Everybody enjoys it. Throughout the process of nominations and choosing the recipient of the furnace, it just feels good, to give somebody heat that might not be able to do it on their own, and volunteer the time and get it done for them, and see that happy face at the end of the day and walk away knowing that you did something.
Hi, my name's Gord. I've been working with Arpi's now for 2.5 years. I'm a residential installer. I've been doing Feel the Love now for, Arpi's has been doing it for 6 years now. Lennox has been doing it since 2009. And we just started doing it, and this is my second year now doing it. And the big thing about it is it's just a wonderful program to me. It touches my heart, mostly because in 2018 my mother was a recipient of it. She had cancer. She has thus passed since then, but that's just my way to kind of give back.
Hi, my name is Wayne, and I've lived in this house for 21 years, and the furnace here is 25 years old. I hadn't heard about a program called Feel the Love until just recently, and it came as a total shock to me to be nominated, and then to find out that it was someone that I spoke with at Arpi's that had nominated me. My furnace was giving trouble intermittently a year and a half ago, perhaps a little longer. And Arpi's was kind enough to come out and make a repair using some parts from another furnace. And that got me going for a while. And they chose to nominate me for a brand new furnace, and it's a little overwhelming.